So I also got a wok. This is 28 inches as well. Yes, 28 inches. Look at that. It's a wok with cover. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. It's me once again, your fantastic neighbor. So guys, it's been a while, it's been a long time. I'm very happy to come back to you guys again. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share whenever we upload any video, so you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, I'm here today to unbox some of my new kitchen pots with you guys. Remember some years ago, about 4 to 5 years, when I did unboxing. So it's time for us to change our kitchen pot again. As you can see, BST Besta cooker. So it is stainless steel, no stick pot. So this is a 22 centimeters, as you can see. So let's just see. So this is 22 centimeters. Look at that. You see what I was talking about? It is a no stick pot. Look at that, guys. No scratch, nothing, no dent, and it is very heavy. Not those light stainless steel. Very nice and portable. Look at that, guys. So this is the 22 centimeters. Then I have the 26. Look at that. Very nice and beautiful. You can see that. It's a little bit bigger. Look at that, guys. So solid. You can also use it on gas, induction, and induction, electric, gas, and whatever, low gas. So that is it. This is the 26. Look at that. It's massive. It's okay. And moreover, I'm still trying to learn how to be cooking a little bit, a little portion of food, because I'm used to cooking a big batch of food. So let's go. So let me put it this way. Okay. So this is the 28 centimeters, as you can first see. The 28 is bigger. Look at that. It will be okay to cook a pot of soup for four of us. Me and my kids, as you can see. Very beautiful. And this is the best pot so far. So this is it, guys. Not just that, I also bought some fry pan. So I also purchased this plaster cover. Maybe whenever you are frying things on the fry pan, instead of it to be splashing on your kitchen wall, so you can as well use this. Okay, look at that. So the little splashes can come out here instead of splashing all over the place. So I also have this. The one I normally use for is one with nets, so the normal regular one. So I also saw this and I purchased it. So I also got a wok. This is 28 inches as well. Yes, 28 inches. Look at that. It's a wok with cover. Then I also bought a 28 inches fry pan as well. The fry pan I have, my children don't magaram, eh? So, but I also need a bigger one anyway, but this will be okay for now. 28 inches. 28 centimeters, sorry, why am I saying inches? So I also got this one. This one is for my kids. They love making pancakes. So I cannot remember how many fry pans I've bought for them. So this is a no stick. It's going to also be good for pancake, for crepes. You understand what I mean? So very lovely as well. So that is it. I think it's also 28 inches. Yes, 28. That's good. So as you guys know, you know I'm also a baker. I do pokpo. I fry things a lot. So I also got a wok, 40 centimeters wok. Okay. So this is in another brand as well. So let me bring this out. Okay. So this one has the cover as well. You can also use it to cook a large quantity of food. Oh, so look at that, guys. It's also the same pattern as well. When I have maybe a large quantity of puff to make, or buns, or spring roll, you understand? So I have a bigger one to use. So this is it. Then I also got this Master Pro pot. This is just like all those cast iron pots. Oh yes, just exactly as cast iron pot. Very. This is also 29 centimeters, 5.8 liters. Sorry guys. Okay, I got it. This is it. It's just as cast iron pot. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that, guys. I love this. I'll be using this right here. Very heavy. This is a cast iron pot. In my language, I would say again now we're modernized. Okay, look at that. You can also hear the sound. Oh, cheesy. So this is it. Then I also got my deep fryer for my pastry business as well. So I ordered this on Amazon anyway. So let me bring out. Okay, I ordered this on Amazon. I cannot put it here. Let me just unbox it down here. So I'll carry it up and show you. Busy for a very long time because I've purchased this deep fryer for a very long time. It's over 2 months or almost 2 months now. It was in the month of January, last week of January, that I ordered it, and it came at the ending of 10th January. You understand? So I've not been able to unbox it. I just left it there. So it's not there for me to unbox it with you guys. So oh god damn it. Hold on, guys. This is it. Okay, now I can bring it up here. The little disadvantage I have in this house is that I don't have a bigger kitchen, but I'll still find a place to put it anyway. That is it. Let's remove this pot a little bit. Okay. So now, I hope you guys can see. This is it, guys. This is how it looks. Okay. It's supposed to look this way. Okay, this way. This is one. It has this inside. You can see that. It is very massive, guys, and also easy to clean. You can bring this out and clean. Very easy to clean. That's very nice for my business. Okay, look at it. The make is Vevo brand. I ordered it on Amazon. That is it. These are the handles that came with it to bring it out. So that is it. When I want to use it, I will let you guys know and bring you guys along as well. So thank you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share to your families and loved ones and be part of this family. So see you guys in our next one. Bye bye.